Lola's here. Say hi.
Hi. As
Yeah, isn't it pretty?
that looks like
got a
his
new
same,
car.
That looks like his same truck.
Say hi.
This is the long way.
I like the lights on this thing.
Did you get your disc off your other car?
No, I couldn't get it.
You couldn't take it off?
The front lights. I like the front lights.
I told my son
fix
about
it.
it. He will.
Hi.
They put a water pump in first, right? And the
Yeah, they
water
put a-
pump
yeah,
in the
well-
transmission. You get a used
Well,
one.
that's what they were going to do, put a new transmission, but it's still 8,500. They wanted.
Yeah, it's a nice car. Yeah. Brand new, huh?
Can we go inside now?
Go ahead, baby.
Wow.
Yeah. And
How many can you get in there?
5.
And how many people?
5. Before you can get in 6.
Beautiful sunset.